Number 12 looks for us to determine the discriminant and the number of real solution. What is the discriminant? Well, the discriminant is the stuff inside that radical. It is the b squared minus the 4ac part. That is the discriminant. So let's label. A here is -1, B here is 2, and C equals to 3. Let's plug this into the discriminant formula. So it becomes 2 squared minus 4 times -1 and times 3. I can just plug that all into a calculator and see what I get. I get the value of 52. 2 squared minus 4 times, oh, nope, that should not be correct. 2 squared minus 4 times -1 times 3. That got me 16. So the discriminant here is 16. The fact that it's 16, we notice that this is positive. The fact that it's positive, we can say it has 2 real solutions. Let's look at B here. All right, so again, we need our discriminant formula like always. So let's move it over here. And now we can plug values into it. I noticed my A here is 1. My B here is -6. And my C here is 8. I can now plug it into my formula. It is -6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8. Plug that into a calculator. Let's see what I get. -4 times 1 times 8. That gets me a value of 4. Notice that my discriminate here, is 4. This is positive. And the fact that it's positive, we could say it has 2 real solutions. And then let's look at C. The formula for the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Let's bring that over. Let's label our values. A equals to 1, B equals to 8, and C is equal to 16. Plug it in. We get 8. We get 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 16. Okay, plug that into a calculator. We get 0. The fact that the discriminant is 0, we can say it has only one real solution. All right, letting you know if the discriminant is ever a negative, please understand that then it has no real solution. Okay, that example wasn't here, but that just to tell you the third scenario of the discriminant.